everyone, welcome to AutoZoom. Today, we're stepping into the world of extreme power, luxury, and adventure. Let's begin our stunning lineup. Number 1, Scania Desert Cruiser. The Scania HikeCruze Desert Cruiser is a masterpiece of strength and sophistication. Built for explorers who dare to travel beyond civilization, this massive motorhome brings together the raw power of a heavy-duty truck with the comfort of a luxury suite. Its muscular body features deep contours, matte metallic armor, and powerful LED light bars designed to cut through desert storms. The 6x6 drivetrain ensures unshakable traction even on soft sand and rocky terrain. Step inside, and the experience completely transforms. The interior glows with soft golden lighting and handcrafted finishes. Plush leather recliners, an advanced digital cockpit, and a cozy bedroom area make it feel like a mobile palace. The mini kitchen includes premium fittings and smart temperature control. With solar panels, a backup generator, and a huge freshwater tank, it's designed to keep you off-grid for days with zero compromise. The Scania Desert Cruiser isn't just a vehicle, it's an unstoppable luxury adventure home. Number 2, Toyota Sprinter 66. The Toyota Sprinter 666 represents the future of mobility. Sleek, powerful, and intelligently designed for all terrains. With a bold aerodynamic silhouette and massive six-wheel stance, it balances beauty with brute force. The front fascia features a stunning LED beam that runs across the grille, giving it a futuristic look. Built for long expeditions, it runs on a twin-turbo hybrid engine that delivers immense torque and efficiency at the same time. Inside, Toyota brings innovation to life. A panoramic glass roof lets in natural light, while the interior glows softly with adjustable ambient colors. The seats are fully reclining with built-in massage functions, and the lounge area transforms into a luxurious sleeping zone in seconds. A smart touchscreen console manages lighting, temperature, and entertainment, giving total control with one touch. The Toyota Sprinter 6x6 is more than just a camper. It's a vision of how the future of overland luxury should look and feel. Number 3, Toyota HikeCruze 6x6. The Toyota HikeCruze 6x6 is a bold statement of futuristic adventure, a perfect fusion of power, design, and modern living. Crafted for those who want to explore the unknown with confidence, this motorhome brings a commanding 6x6 configuration that ensures complete stability and traction on sand, snow, or stone. Its exterior is sculpted with perfection. Deep metallic contours, high-mounted LED beams, and a front grille that radiates dominance. Once inside, the HikeCruze 6x6 welcomes you into a peaceful yet high-tech environment. The soft beige interiors, complemented by light golden lighting, make the cabin feel like a luxurious hotel room on wheels. Every inch is designed with precision, from the leather lounge to the modular dining setup and high-end mini kitchen equipped with touch controls. The cabin also features a fully digital dashboard with multi-display navigation and 360-degree terrain cameras. The sleeping space is insulated, quiet, and illuminated with warm golden hues for complete comfort. Powered by Toyota's advanced hybrid system and equipped with off-grid solar capability, the HikeCruze 6x6 gives you the freedom to travel farther, live smarter, and rest in pure luxury, no matter where the road ends. Number 4, Toyota 6x6 Overland Camper. The Toyota 6x6 Overland Camper defines what it means to travel without limits. This massive expedition vehicle combines Toyota's legendary reliability with next-generation engineering. The exterior stands tall with wide track wheels, a raised suspension, and armored side panels, giving it a rugged, invincible personality. The metallic two-tone finish reflects light beautifully, making it as elegant as it is powerful. Step inside, and the transformation is mesmerizing. The Overland camper feels like a luxury micro-apartment, spacious, stylish, and intelligently designed. There's a convertible lounge that turns into a king-size bed, a compact digital kitchen with touch-sensitive appliances, and panoramic windows offering breathtaking outside views. The lighting adjusts automatically with your mood, while the advanced climate control keeps the temperature perfectly balanced in all weather conditions. The turbo diesel engine with Toyota's terrain management system delivers smooth performance even in extreme environments. Whether you're crossing Rocky Mountains or vast deserts, the Toyota 6X6 Overland Camper is your ultimate companion for endless comfort and unstoppable capability. Number 5. Scania Desert Cruiser Camper. Finishing our lineup in absolute grandeur, we have the Scania Desert Cruiser Camper, a monumental machine built for those who want to travel like royalty through the harshest landscapes. This 6x6 luxury titan stands out with its aggressive armored shell, high ground clearance, and bold LED architecture that glows beautifully at night. Every panel of its exterior reflects engineering perfection. Muscular, elegant, and ready for anything. Inside, the story is pure opulence. The cabin greets you with soft golden lighting, diamond-stitched leather upholstery, and a fully automated smart control system that manages everything from lighting to temperature and sound. The kitchen space is finished in stainless steel and marble texture, while the bedroom area feels like a private suite with sound insulation and luxury bedding. The Scania Desert Cruiser camper also comes equipped with satellite connectivity, solar charging, and an advanced filtration system for air and water, ensuring you remain connected and comfortable even in the most isolated deserts. This is not just a camper. It's a statement of unmatched power, technology, and luxury. The Scania Desert Cruiser camper defines the true meaning of freedom, where the road ends and the adventure truly begins.